Gaming setups today are more accessible than ever, offering smooth performance, fast loading times, and immersive experiences overall. Explore best gaming PC for beginners options, built for smooth gameplay, strong performance, and easy setup, ideal for first-time users today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. CyberPowerPC Ti 8GB Gaming PC. The CyberPowerPC Ti 8GB Gaming PC is an excellent choice for beginners who want a powerful gaming system that is ready for modern titles without requiring upgrades right away. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, this desktop delivers strong multi-core performance that handles gaming, streaming, multitasking, and content creation with ease. Its 8-core architecture allows users to run demanding applications while maintaining smooth gameplay, making it a versatile option for both work and entertainment. The inclusion of 16GB DDR5 memory further enhances responsiveness, enabling faster loading times and efficient multitasking compared to older DDR4-based systems. Gaming performance is one of the biggest highlights of this machine. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB graphics card, it is capable of running modern games at high settings while maintaining excellent frame rates at 1080p and strong performance at 1440p. Technologies such as ray tracing and DLSS support improve visual quality while helping maintain smooth gameplay. Whether playing competitive esports titles or graphically demanding AAA games, users can expect a fluid and enjoyable experience. Number 2. YAWYORE 5600 GT Gaming PC is designed for budget-conscious beginners who want an affordable gaming desktop capable of handling everyday computing tasks and mainstream gaming. At the heart of the system is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT processor, a 6-core, 12-thread CPU that delivers reliable performance across gaming, web browsing, productivity applications, and media consumption. Its boost clock of up to 4.6 GHz provides responsive operation while ensuring smooth multitasking performance for users who often run multiple applications simultaneously. One of the key features of this desktop is its integrated AMD Radeon Vega graphics. While it does not include a dedicated graphics card, the integrated GPU offers respectable performance for many popular esports and casual games at 1080p resolution. Titles such as Valorant, League of Legends, Rocket League, and Fortnite can run comfortably with appropriate settings. This makes the system particularly appealing to beginners who want to start gaming immediately and potentially add a dedicated graphics card later. The system comes equipped with 16GB of DDR4 3200MHz memory and a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD. Together, these components provide quick boot times, responsive application performance, and sufficient storage for games, software, and personal files. The MSI A520M-A Pro motherboard offers stability and future upgrade potential, allowing users to enhance the system as their gaming needs grow. Number 3. ACEMAGIC K1 Gaming PC. The ACEMAGIC K1 Gaming PC takes a different approach compared to traditional gaming desktops by offering impressive performance within a compact mini PC design. This makes it an appealing option for beginners who have limited desk space or prefer a minimalist setup. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor, the K1 features 6 cores and 12 threads capable of handling productivity tasks, entertainment, and light gaming with ease. The processor's boost clock, reaching up to 4.5 GHz, ensures responsive performance during multitasking and everyday use. The integrated Radeon graphics engine provides enough power for casual gaming and popular esports titles. While it is not designed for ultra settings in demanding AAA games, it performs admirably for users who enjoy games such as Minecraft, Valorant, Dota 2, League of Legends, and other less demanding titles. For beginners transitioning from laptops or older systems, the gaming experience is surprisingly capable considering the compact form factor. Memory and storage are well balanced for everyday computing needs. The system includes 16GB of LPDDR4X memory operating at high speeds, allowing multiple applications to remain open without noticeable slowdowns. The included 512GB SSD delivers fast boot times and quick software loading,
while dual M.2 slots allow storage expansion up to 4 terabytes, providing excellent flexibility for future growth. Number 4. CyberPowerPC GeForce Gaming PC. The CyberPowerPC GeForce Gaming PC is a strong mid-range gaming desktop that offers excellent value for beginners seeking modern gaming performance without moving into enthusiast-level pricing. Built around the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, the system provides 10 cores that efficiently handle gaming, multitasking, content creation, and daily computing workloads. Intel's hybrid architecture ensures strong single-core performance for games while maintaining excellent responsiveness when running multiple applications. The centerpiece of the system is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 8GB graphics card. This GPU delivers impressive 1080p gaming performance and can comfortably handle many modern titles at high settings. Support for advanced technologies such as ray tracing and DLSS further improves visual quality and performance. Beginners who want a gaming PC capable of handling both current and future games will appreciate the balance offered by this graphics solution. The inclusion of 16GB DDR5 memory helps ensure smooth gameplay and responsive system performance. Combined with the fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, users benefit from quick startup times, rapid file transfers, and reduced loading screens. The storage capacity is also sufficient for a large collection of games and applications. Connectivity options are practical and plentiful. Multiple USB ports allow easy connect.
Number 5. Skytech O11 Gaming PC. The Skytech O11 Gaming PC stands out as the most powerful system on this list and is an outstanding option for beginners who want top-tier gaming performance from day one. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D processor, one of the most respected gaming CPUs available thanks to its advanced 3D V-cache technology. This processor delivers exceptional frame rates in modern games, while also handling multitasking, streaming, and productivity workloads with ease. Graphics performance is equally impressive. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB graphics card offers a significant amount of video memory, making it particularly effective for modern games with high-resolution textures and demanding visual effects. The GPU excels at 1080p and 1440p gaming while providing enough power for future gaming demands. Features such as ray tracing and AI-assisted upscaling enhance both visual quality and overall performance. The system includes 32 GB of DDR5 memory, which exceeds the requirements of most current games and provides excellent multitasking capabilities. Whether users are gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running multiple applications simultaneously, the generous memory allocation ensures consistently smooth operation. The 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD further...
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.